Welcome to the Solana Liquidity Adder Tool. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to add liquidity to your Radium pools on the Solana blockchain using our user-friendly platform. First, connect your Solana wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button and follow the prompts to connect your wallet. This step is crucial as it allows the platform to access your wallet and verify your tokens. Enter the pool ID or OpenBook Market ID for your liquidity pool. This ID is essential for identifying your pool on the Solana blockchain. Specify the amount of base tokens you want to add to the pool. You can use the max and half buttons to quickly set the amounts based on your token balances. Click the Add Liquidity button to initiate the process. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Review the details, including the total fees, and confirm to proceed. The platform is now adding liquidity to your pool on the Solana blockchain. This might take a few moments. Please wait while the transaction is being processed. Congratulations! Your liquidity has been successfully added to the pool. You can now view the transaction details on Solscan. For more detailed instructions, check out our blog post and documentation. These resources provide additional guidance on adding liquidity to pools. Thank you for using the Solana Liquidity Adder Tool. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.